Hello there. In response to TheTruePooka's suggestion, just wanted to do a post about the differences, the main difference between a credit union and a bank. I mean, simple things like regulation. Credit unions are regulated either through the National Credit Union Association or the state level associations, whereas the bank holding companies pretty much pick and choose their regulators, fall under the minimum regulatory requirement. Credit union regulation is much more stable than banking regulation, but that's a side issue. The big issue is, imagine a bank that, rather than you depositing money that is being controlled by shareholders and controlled by shareholders for the purpose of the bank making a profit. Imagine a bank where each account holder has a share in the bank and no shares are sold. And apparently it's the beginning of tourist season in Washington. Anyhow, imagine that instead of a board of directors that's elected by the shareholders, by the people who have purchased parts of the bank, the money or the board is controlled by those who are elected by the people who hold accounts there. The credit union is simply a place where people deposit their money, one, for the purpose of investing or safekeeping, and two, to act as a common pool for borrowing. And obviously the credit union has to make some money on this in order to be able to facilitate borrowing, day-to-day operations, and being able to pay dividends on accounts. But the entire philosophy of the credit union is different. Banks try and put forth the image of safety, but their underlying goal is to make a profit, and that image of safety is a means to an end. The entirety of the goal of the credit union is to keep the money safe. That's it. So, to me, it's an easy choice. I got very lucky and have a membership at one, a very good one, but there are a lot of good ones out there that are accepting applications. Check with your employer and see if they have access to a credit union. Check with any professional association you belong to. If you belong to a union, you might have access to a credit union. Look around. I do not regret it. Thank you for your time and attention.